Check the oxygen levels in tank 3.
Levels are stable at 15 ppm, Supervisor.
A marvel of modern logistics, this shipment of Anguilla anguilla is bound for the processing facility.
Scanning Array 7 reports a 99% texture match.
Acknowledged. Divert the outlier to Station 4 for manual review.
Check the delta E variance here.
It's within tolerance. The consistency across the batch is holding steady.
We should adjust the grain alignment here for the eel skin.
Yes, that will optimize the cutting yield significantly.
The algorithms are arranging the cutting patterns now. We're seeing a 97% utilization rate on this batch. In this high-precision environment, thousands of components are sorted by advanced AI, ensuring flawless assembly. The holographic projection shows consistent fiber alignment here. We have an alert. System flagged a subsurface irregularity at 400 microns. Check the seam structure analysis here. The laser measurements are showing a slight variance. It's marginal, but the AI recommends recalibration on the edge finishing unit.
Arriving from the curing chambers, these luxury wallets undergo advanced surface polishing by robotic finishing systems, ensuring a flawless, vibrant texture.
The brushed gold texture works well with the charcoal skin.
Generating placement options now.
In this advanced assembly area, every emblem is integrated with flawless accuracy, verified by advanced machine vision. The cycle test results are holding steady. Good. The eel skin integrity remains flawless at 50,000 cycles. Here in the inspection corridor, AI systems scrutinize thousands of wallets, guaranteeing absolute visual perfection before they move to handcrafted verification. We have full authentication on the latest shipment. Look at the throughput on the main display. Interface is solid. No anomalies detected in the last hour.
From the depths of the ocean to this exquisite showroom, the journey of this wallet culminates in a masterpiece of design.